Okay, so we have found a free weed eater that the kids found in the subdivision. They found it earlier this summer. This is like November right now while I'm filming this, but we're gonna roll the intro and see if we can get this weed eater running. So stick around and watch the video. Alright, so I'm just using my power ratchet cause it's the first thing I found. Use the 3/8 remote spark plug. I have a new E3 spark plug here. Go back in it. Hopefully it fits it. I picked it up at Walmart back during the summer when the boys found the weed eater, and we thought, well, we'll try to see if we can't get it running. So this is kind of a will it run, but it's a weed eater instead of a car. But you know, hopefully y'all watch it and like what you're seeing. I'm going to remove this spark plug here. So I'm going to put this new spark plug in. We'll put some hot gas in it and see if we can't get this thing to fire off. Alright, there's the spark plug that we took out of it. It appears to be original. And like I said, it was free, so if we don't get it running, we're not out nothing. Alright, I'm comparing the spark plugs. The one that I have is a way bigger diameter as far as like the spark plug itself goes, as far as the outer shank. The thread all seems to look the same size. I'm going to check my gap here in just a second and see what it needs to be, what the original one was, and see if I need to adjust the gap. Alright, the factory gap was like at a 23, 24, the one that's in it. I set the new gap at a 25. Alright, I stuck my new spark plug in. I just kind of run it in hand tight. I didn't really torque it down or anything, because really I'm just wanting to see if it'll run. If I can get any fire out of it after I put new gas in it, then I might go find a socket that actually fits the new spark plug and torque it down good and tight. If not, I'll check and see if I've got fire. But key number one to getting any engine running is you need good gas and you need a hot spark, because without spark, without fuel, you're never going to run. So I picked up some super fuel from Rural King. I'm going to pour some of that in it, and let's see if we can get this thing to run. Alright, so we're going to see if we can get this thing to fire off. Okay, so it didn't start with a new plug and or new gas. So I'm gonna pull that air cleaner off of it. Take a look and see what the carburetor's doing. Alright, I'm gonna crank this thing over and see if we can get in, see if we got any spark. I'm going to stick the original plug back in it. Just simply because that plug may not have fitted good.